When our customers are happy, we are happy. And when they write us to tell us why they're so happy, we're happy to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. After reading this ourselves, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. We strive to give the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we will work very hard to earn both. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.